Have you ever felt like the financial world moves too fast? Have you wondered why some people are multiplying their money while others stay stuck? There's something happening right now, and no, it's not magic, it's artificial intelligence. Imagine there's a system that can make financial decisions faster than any human. A system that never sleeps, that analyzes data at an unimaginable speed, and that is transforming how money is made. Do you want to know how you can take advantage of this? What's about to happen could be the biggest financial revolution of our time. Are you ready not to be left behind? Because while many people are still sticking to the same old strategies, those using artificial intelligence are already one step ahead, and you could be one of them. Let's discover how artificial intelligence can completely change the way you handle money and how you might be missing the opportunity of a lifetime. Remember when people used to think that investing was just for experts, or for those who could spend hours analyzing numbers? That's changing faster than you think. Artificial intelligence is breaking all the rules. Today, AI is managing more money than you could ever imagine, and it does so without resting. Think about this. While you're sleeping, somewhere in the world, there are algorithms analyzing millions of financial data points. Not only that, they're making decisions in a matter of seconds, finding investment opportunities before humans can even blink. Before, only big investors had access to complex financial analysis. Now, with AI, all that power is in the palm of your hand. AI-driven platforms and apps are available to anyone. Yes, even to you. You don't need a team of experts or to spend thousands of euros on advice. With just one click, you can access analysis that was once only available to the big players on Wall Street. But that's not all. We're not just talking about stock analysis or market predictions. AI is transforming every aspect of your personal finances. Did you know that there are already apps that can predict your expenses better than you can? Apps that not only tell you how much you can save this month, but also offer automatic strategies to invest that money smartly. And trading? Forget the days when you spent hours staring at a screen, waiting for a stock to go up or down. AI-powered automated trading systems are taking over. These robots don't have emotions. They don't get swayed by fear or greed. They act coldly and calculatedly, maximizing the chances to win in the markets. They're designed to learn, improve, and adapt to any situation. You might be asking, is it safe? Is it reliable? Let me tell you something. Major investment funds and big banks are already using AI. We're not talking about a passing trend. We're talking about the future, and you still have time to take advantage of it. Think about it. AI is fast, tireless, and at the forefront of the most profitable decisions in the financial world. What would you do if you had access to this technology? What once seemed impossible is now within reach for anyone who wants to take control of their financial future. The question you're probably asking is, okay, this all sounds great, but how can I make artificial intelligence work for me? And the answer is simpler than you think. Imagine you have a personal assistant that never sleeps, constantly reviewing thousands of stocks and investment opportunities. Sound good? Well, that assistant already exists, and it's not human. These are algorithms that can analyze tons of data, detect trends, and make real-time recommendations, much faster than any person could ever do. For example, did you know there are apps that not only help you invest but do it for you, optimizing every cent you put into play? Imagine putting your money to work while you go about your day, without worrying about when to buy or sell. Apps like Robinhood or Acorns are using AI to manage micro-investments, letting you participate in financial markets without being an expert. But it doesn't stop there. AI is also transforming trading. Automated trading algorithms are running 24 hours a day, taking advantage of every little market movement to generate profits. The best part? These algorithms don't have emotions. They don't panic when stocks drop, and they don't get excited when they rise. They act coldly and calculatedly, maximizing every opportunity to win. Imagine this. While you're enjoying your morning coffee, there's a robot that's already made more trades in the market than you could do in an entire year. And all without you lifting a finger. Now, you might be thinking this is only for big banks or millionaires. But no. The great thing about artificial intelligence is that it's democratizing finance. You no longer need a huge amount of capital to access the best investment strategies. With just a few euros, you can have AI working for you day and night. Now comes the worrying part. While you're watching this video, there are people out there already using artificial intelligence to grow their money. And they're doing it at a speed we've never seen before. Did you know that every day you go without using AI in your finances, you could be missing a golden opportunity? Yes, that's right. While many are still using the same old strategies, trusting traditional banks or financial advisors who aren't up to speed with new technologies, the smartest investors have already made the leap. Think about it for a second. How many times have you heard, "The future is now"? Well, with AI, it's not just a phrase. It's reality. AI-powered financial advisory apps like Betterment or Wealthfront are already making decisions faster and more accurately than humans. And that translates into more profitability for those who use them. Let me tell you something few dare to mention. If you don't start using AI in your finances right now, you're playing at a disadvantage. Yes, you'll keep watching others multiply their money while you struggle for small returns. But it's not just in investments where you're losing opportunities. AI is also changing how we manage our personal finances. There are apps that analyze every one of your expenses, predict your consumption patterns, and offer personalized advice to save more and spend better. And they do it better than any human. The question you need to ask yourself is, are you going to keep passing up these opportunities? Because while you keep trusting in the old strategies, others are already using AI to secure a bright financial future. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. Like with anything related to your money, there are risks. Artificial intelligence is amazing, but it's not a magic wand. If you don't use it wisely, you can lose money, and a lot of it. One of the biggest mistakes you could make is leaving everything in the hands of AI without at least understanding the basics of how it works. AI isn't infallible, and while it can process data at lightning speed, it's still a tool that needs to be used carefully. Think about this. Would you trust a self-driving car if you didn't know how to turn it off or what to do if something went wrong? Of course not. The biggest risk is jumping into using any app or tool that claims to use AI without first doing your research. Not all platforms are created equal, and some might not be as advanced as they promise. And the worst thing you could do is let your emotions take control. Yes, AI doesn't have emotions, but you do. And if you let yourself be swayed by the promise of quick money, you could end up making bad decisions. So, how can you avoid these risks? It's simple. Do your research. Before using any AI-based tool, make sure you understand how it works. Read reviews, check its credibility, and most importantly, start with a small amount of money. Don't put all your savings into one platform just because it looks promising. But here's the best part. If you use AI wisely, the benefits can far outweigh the risks. You just need a little caution and some basic knowledge to tap into its full potential. You don't need to be an expert in finance or technology. You just need to be willing to learn a bit and, most importantly, be prepared for the future. And speaking of the future, what we're seeing now with artificial intelligence is just the beginning. If you thought AI was already transforming finance, wait until you see what's coming in the next few years. Get ready because the opportunities will be massive for those who jump on this wave in time. Did you know that in the not-too-distant future, you could have a fully personalized AI assistant managing all your finances? We're not just talking about investments, but every aspect of your financial life. From planning your retirement to telling you how much to save or spend each month with a level of precision no human could match. And the most impressive part, AI will keep learning and improving over time. The more you use it, the more it will understand your financial habits, your goals, and your needs. This means you'll have a customized finance system designed for you, and always one step ahead of any human advisor. Imagine a world where you don't have to worry about market fluctuations. AI will do everything for you. Analyze data, predict trends, and adjust your investments to maximize gains and minimize risks. And all without you lifting a finger. But it's not just financial markets that will be impacted. Banking, insurance, loans, everything is going to change. Soon, we could see AI-managed loans, with personalized interest rates based on data far more precise than current evaluations. You could even get better credit simply because your AI has proven you're a reliable customer. The future of AI in finance isn't just bright, it's inevitable. Those who adopt it now will be positioned to take advantage of the best opportunities. And we're not talking decades from now. We're talking about the next few years. The question is, will you be ready? Because this revolution won't wait. If you don't get on board in time, you could miss out while others multiply their money thanks to AI. Artificial intelligence is the future of finance. Will you be part of it, or will you stand by and watch while others get rich? Don't forget, we're in the middle of a financial revolution. Artificial intelligence is here, and only those who take advantage of it will see their money grow in ways they never imagined. Now it's your turn. Start exploring the AI tools available to you and take control of your financial future. If this video gave you some ideas and you want more content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss out on the best strategies to grow your money. See you in the next video.